And what is up, YouTube, and welcome to the Sweet Outdoors. Yes, I know we are on the back porch, but this is leading up into tonight's video, my next video, my overnighter. I'm going camping this evening, so we're going to have some good video coming for you from that. But this is a quick product review, something that I think you'll enjoy, something that comes in very handy for your fire kit, and to me, it's probably a must-have. So let's get everything ready and we will be back. All right, guys, we're back. I had to find a seat. Yeah. So, the must-have for your camping, for your survival, for your overnighters, for your bushcraft, for your whatever. This is a must-have in your pack, guys. You have to have this no matter what. It's just as much as important as water. Fire. This is what you need, a lighter. I'm just kidding, it's not that. But it's similar. Boom! That's right. The Smiths Pacl Pal. Tinder maker with fire starter. Or a fire starter and a cheese grater, whatever you want to call it. I've been looking at this for quite a bit, and I mean, let's face it, I have gear. I have a lot of gear. But like I said, I've been looking at this for a little bit and finally decided what the hell, you guys deserve to know what's out there. And I'm a DIY guy. I make my own. I mean, you can go to the Walmart and pick up a cheese grater, a little small, fancy cheese grater for a couple of bucks, and have the same exact thing just about as you got here. Now, this is a pretty cool kit. It is all together with your nice little nylon cord. Okay, let's look at the striker, the fire starter first. That's it right there. That is it. That is a little fire striker. Once you get that coating off, it should work pretty good. Yeah, got a good spark. That'll start your fire. I don't like this. I don't like this. That is not a lot of wiggle room. Not a lot. I don't like that. Me personally, I would either abandon this altogether and get my own. That's what I would do. I would get a different fire starter than this one right here. Put this in like a backup pack or something like that. And I'd also put a longer piece of cord. I do not like this. This is what I'm interested in right here. The little cheese grater. Okay, it slides out or something. Wow, that sucker's in there. I don't want, oh, it just pops off. It don't slide. It pops off. And the box collects all your shavings. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna test it. Give me a second, we'll angle you down and we'll see exactly what this bad boy does. Alright guys, I want to give a quick shout out to today's video sponsor, Super Clean. Go check them out. I think you'll love their products. I know I do. They work great on everything. It's a great degreaser. Go check them out. Okay, we have our box and we have a piece of fat wood. So you're just going to take and that's it. You're just going to back and forth, and shave it down. That's what you're doing. I can tell it's getting some pretty good pieces on there. Now, you don't have to use fat wood. You can use anything, but we all know fat wood is the best because fat's where it's at. Let's see what we got in there. That ain't a lot. That right there will start a fire. What do you mean you don't believe me? All right, hold on. I'll show you. Okay, got our little metal lid here, and we're gonna see if that's enough to fire up. That's everything right there. Now this is gonna be fun with this little bitty striker here. So I don't want to catch my table on fire either. It's trying. You can see it's trying. Like I said, I don't like this fire still. To me, it's just not big enough. You ain't got enough room to play. Now, when it comes to your fire striker, some people pull, some people push. It's personal preference. It does give a good spark, but for some reason it does not want to start this little bitty fat wood. I don't know if it's too fine, but we got some good shavings in there. Yeah, see, if that would land on this, we'd do good. You see that little flame? Well, there was a little flame. I saw it. Yeah, there was a little flame. This all goes back to what I was saying in my previous videos. Test your equipment. Get to know your equipment. Oh, I've got this. I got fire. It's not always true. What if you've got wet tinder? I mean, what if your piece of firewood, you know, is wet? What if you're damp conditions? It's windy or something like that. Don't always rely on one piece of equipment. I got another video coming up that I think you'll enjoy about a deluxe, mega, whatever you want to call it, fire kit. A guaranteed fire is what we're going to call it. So this was just an out-of-the-box demonstration review on the Smiths Pacl Pal. I do like this. I do like this. I don't like this. They could have done a better job on this. I think they should just sell this right here. Just sell this. And if you're gonna put one of these in there, beef it up. This needs to be better than what's in here. Do me a favor real quick, hit that like, that subscribe, that notification button so you're aware when my next videos drop, my overnighters. And hope you enjoyed it, guys. Now we know. So there's your demonstration unboxing of the Smiths Pacl Pal. Be safe, God bless, and get outside, people, because it is a beautiful day.